let's continue with the introduction of circles. Here is a figure. The diameters of circle A, B, and C, or circles A, B, and C, are 10 inches, 20 inches, and 14 inches, respectively. Find XB. So that this is what we're going to look for, this line. So as we can see, diameters, that means AX, line AX. So I don't know what happened again. Line AX. If the diameter of A is 10, then line AX is 5. Let's begin with that. And then we have AX, and then AB. Now it works. AB is the half of 20, then it is 20 inches. That means we have XB is 10 inches minus 5 inches, which is 5 inches. This is our A. Let's say about our B. Find BY. It's the same there. If we have CY is equal to the half of 14 inches, that's 7 inches. And BC is equal to AB, which is 10 inches, as we declared here. That means BY is equal to 10 inches minus 7 inches, which gives us 3 inches. Here is another figure, 2 circles. Circle W has a radius of 4 units. Radius is 4 units, that means the diameter is 8 units. Circle Z, zeta, has a radius of 7 units. That means the diameter is 14 units. And XY, from this point to that point. Oh, sorry, no. That point is 2. I hope you can see that. That means if we solve for YZ, B, I, X, and C, I, C. Okay, let's see YZ. This one. As we said, WZ is WZ, or zeta, is 7 units. And XY is equal to 2. That means WX is equal to radius of 4 units, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. That's units. This is also units. What we got now? That means Y zeta So if we solve A now, y zeta is equal to 7 minus 2 units. Then we have 5 units. Okay. B, Ix. W has, circle W has a radius of 4 units. So Ix is equal to 4 units. C, IC, as you can see here, that's 7 x and y zeta is 7 and wx is 2 units. So we have IW is equal to 4 units. W x is equal to 2 units. And then we have x zeta is equal to x zeta, that is 7 units. And then zeta c, or c zeta, we have 7 units. If we, this is equal to IC. So IC is equal to 14, 18, 20. 14, 16, 20 units. That's it. Let's continue with this one. The diameters of circle A, this one. Circle B, the bigger one. And circle C is 10, 30, and 10 units respectively. That means A and C, circle A and circle C, they are congruent. Find each measure. Congruent, that means they are the same. Find its measure if the line AZ, this one, is congruent to the line CW, that one. Doesn't look like that, but it says that CW and AZ are congruent. They are equidistant. They have the same length. Not equidistant, sorry, that's a wrong term. CW is equal to 2, so the length of CW is 2. That means even A zeta is also 2. Let's solve some of those. A zeta, that means that is 2. A zeta is equal to 2 units. B, x zeta, that means from A to X, I will solve AX is 5 units. That means x zeta is, and A zeta is equal to 2 units. That means x zeta is 5 units minus 2 units, which give us 3 units. C, bx. We know that b zeta is equal to 15 units. That means, and x zeta is 3 units. So x zeta is 3 units. That means dx is 15 units minus 3 units is equal to 12 units. D is by. By, as we have said, BW and A zeta are congruent. That means even BY and BX are congruent. So we have BY. They have the same length. That is also 12 units. E, what we have here, YW. That means even here. This one is the same as this one. Zeta x or x zeta. Then we have E, YW is the same as x zeta. That is 3 units. And then we have the F, AC. AC is from A to X. We have A to X plus X to B plus B to Y plus Y to C, which is A to X. A to X is 5 units. I'll just do that. 5 plus XB or BX is 12 units. 12 units. Plus BY is also 12 units. Plus YC. Y to C is 5 units. Then we have 24 plus 10, that is 34 units. So I hope that you have learned something from these examples in finding the diameters and the radius or radii of circles. In my next video, I will be discussing area and perimeter of a circle. Of a circle, and I will be discussing also at the same time area and perimeter of a sector, a circle sector, and a circle sector. See you there.